AI shouldn't be scary. AI should be fun. It should make life better. It should make things easier. It should make you faster and more productive at work. This is why I built the Oxford AI School. It's designed with modules specifically to take people from 0 to 1, to help you and your teams work faster, work better, work more efficiently, and have fun while you're doing it. We have modules designed to take you from the basic steps through to building websites and workflows using tools like Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, Banana, and various others. The modules are simple and easy to understand. You don't need any technical knowledge and are built for small businesses, lawyers, doctors, pub owners, farmers, and everything in between around the Oxfordshire area. So if you think you and your teams could do with learning how AI works and engaging with this new technology in your business, then get in touch at theoxfordaischool.com and we can tell you how we can help.